Hello there! Good morning, children and parents. Welcome back to our online reading tutorials for children. We're now on day 3 and Teacher Len's here. I hope you're doing good. So let's begin. With our lessons for today, learn the letter M and its sound. Review letters A, B, and T. So let's review first. This is letter A and the sound is A. Let's read these words. Follow this pointer and sound it first. A, apple. A, alligator. A, arrow. A, axe. A, anchor. A, ask. Now it's your turn. Sound it first. Begin. Right, good job. So let's do this activity. Write small letter A below the picture which has the beginning sound A. So all you have to do is just write letter A with a beginning sound A below this picture. And you still remember how to write letter A? Let's practice again. So start here, then going down 1, and then 2, and then 3. Okay? Small letter A, start here. 1, make a curve, and then 2. Again, 1, then 2. Okay? Just write small letter A only. And you can use your pad paper if you want. And you can pause this video. Then be back if you're done. Okay? Start now. Okay, so let's continue. So let's check if your answers are correct. So this letter A because this is axe. The beginning sound is A, axe. This one is letter A again because it's ant. A, alligator, and A, ask. Okay, this one it's not because it's not the beginning sound A. It's B, right? Back. Okay, so if you are all correct, then you're doing a good job. Great. You are great. Next, we go to letter B. Still remember the sound? It's B. Just like a bee. Buzz. What is the sound of a bee? Buzz. Buzz. Okay, this one is, let's read. B, B, bee. B, balloon. B, boy. B, bell. B, back. B, bust. Now it's your turn. Follow this pointer. Sound it first. B. Again. Next. Next. Good job. So letter T, the sound is T. T. Okay, let's read the words. Follow this pointer. Sound it first. T. Tag. Next. T. Talk. T. Tree. T. Tap. T. Tall. T. Tire. Now it's your turn. Sound it first. Begin. Good job. Okay, let's do another activity. Write letter B or T inside a box with the correct beginning letter sound of each object. So all you have to do is just write B or T here in this box. So remember the writing of letter B is start here, then going down 1, and then 2. It's easy, right? Again, 1, start here, and then 2. Make a curve. Okay, letter T, it's very easier, and all you have to do is just draw a straight line. Start here, 1, and then 2. Okay, again, 1, 2. Okay, so you can use your pad paper again if you like. And then post this video, and if you're done, just be back. Okay, so start now. Okay, let's continue. Let's check. So number 1, it's letter B because it's bus. It sounds as b, bus. Number 2, T, it's talk. B, bell. T, tire. And letter B, balloon. Okay, so I want you to read on your own. Number 1, begin. Next. Next. All right, good job. You are great. Good thinking. Next, we have a new letter for today, and it's letter M. Capital or big letter M and small letter M, or we can call it mother M and baby M. Do you like M&M like this, chocolates? Yeah, very sweet. Okay, so it's also begin with the beginning letter M. They have the same letter, M and M. So the sound is mmm. Say it, mmm. Again, mmm. Okay, this is how you're going to write letter M. Using your pointing finger, imagine it's your pencil. You start here, number 1, up and then down, 1. And then this number 2 on this part, draw a line, 2. This number 3, 3. And then 4. Again, 1, 2. And then 3. And then 4. Small letter M, start here, number 1, just follow the numbers. 1, and then 2, start here, 2, and then 3, start here. Again, 1, 2, 3. Very good, good job. So you can practice writing letter M on your pad paper. So, let's read these words with pictures. Sound it first, follow this pointer. Mat. Again, mat. Map. Map. Mad. Mad. Man. Market. Market. Math. Math. Alright, it's your turn. Follows pointer. Begin. Again. Next. Alright, good job. So, let's read the words with the beginning sound of m. Sound it first. M, a, ma. Again. M, a, ma. Next. M, at, mat. Again. M, at, mat. Now it's your turn. Sound it first. Begin. Again. Next. Next. Again. Alright. Mat. So where's the mat? Here's the mat. Very good. Okay, activity 5, match the beginning letter with the correct picture. So use your pointing finger and match them. Okay, so start now. Okay, let's check. So number 1, letter A, sound as A, goes to an anchor. B, bat. T, tart. Math. Now it's your turn to read. Begin, sound it first. A. Next. Good job. So if your answers are all correct, great. You're great. And because you're doing a great job today, you are shining bright. Good job. So that's all for today, kids. And be back again tomorrow for another lesson. So lessons tomorrow. So goodbye. See you tomorrow. God bless you.